cherries? That's what they're eating, babe. They're up in the tree eating it. That's where they were going. They like those berries, babe. You don't see we're a threat because she's not running away. Yeah, she's just watching. These are the stinkers that are tearing up the yard. I don't care if they're just getting berries and stuff. The one that eat off the top of the sundew. Small babies, baby, you can raise them like a pet, but they get big. Look how big she is. Yep, she ain't gonna let one berry go. Are ya? I blow them off the driveway off there. That's why she's getting them there all over there. I take the leaf blower and blow them off the yard there. Brett. Deer eating the berries. Might have found a worm.
Must be a lot of food in there.
Yeah, but you see she pulled something up. I bet you it was a worm. They eat insects.
He's under your car.
They're omnivorous. They'll eat insects or they'll eat berries, fruit. 1, 2, 3. I see number 4 there. They don't climb as fast as they do. She must be getting old, big. Okay, how slow she's climbing. Those things just shot right up the tree like.
Hi, we're looking at you. He's checking. She's checking.
She's looking.
Yeah, I got him. I got her.
Yeah, she's going. They are quiet. They hardly make any sound going up the tree. That's how quiet they are. Here she goes. Come on, Juniors, let's go. You done? Yeah, they're about half the size of her, but I'll hit some more berries too.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified for new updates.